JDCap26 here, just do the tips and fears and the hobbies, and good morning and good afternoon and good night. How you guys doing today? Hope you're doing good. Well, anyway, let's get to, as I am very direct in my videos, let's get to the point here. In the last video, we tested this with a vinegar, and we found that it did not discolor. Okay, so we think it's gold, okay? So we assume it's gold, because it didn't discolor with the vinegar, which is an acid. Okay, so the second test is the magnet test. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so the chain is being gripped by the magnet, and also the horn a little bit. So let's say, do it like this. Okay, so I would say, since it's the vinegar tested that it was gold, it has a steel core, so this is gold plated. Okay, so you'd get less value when you go to sell it. So that's how you tell the difference. It's got a steel core and it's gold plated because the acid showed that it was truly gold on top here. So that's what I want to show you today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them. And you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.